Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our animal tissue. In the previous classes, already we have seen the types of animal tissue. In this video, we are going to study about that the last type of animal tissue is a nervous tissue. This is the last point of this lesson. Let us towards the today's lecture. Let us first revise what we have seen in the previous video. We have seen, student, the animal tissue. Animal tissue have four types already. We have studied epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue, the tissue which is present in our outer surrounding like a skin. It is also present in the outer surrounding of our internal organ, and as you know, what is the main function? It gives the protection. It absorbs some nutrient. Means it is a function as absorption, secretion, sensory. Okay. Means the main function of epithelium to protect the internal parts of the organ. Okay, student. Next type is the connective tissue. Connective tissue, I told you, we have studied in details connective tissue. There are subtypes of connective tissue. It connect the two organ. Means the connective tissue help to connect the one organ to another. Okay, student, what is mean by connective tissue? Means it have subtypes already we have seen. If you have any doubt about regarding this tissue, you will go through my previous video and you watch carefully. Got it? And in the last video we have seen muscular tissue. Muscular tissue means our muscle is made from muscular tissue. It help to movement and it help to the locomotion. Got it? There also have three types: striated muscle, unstriated muscle and cardiac muscle. In the last video already we have studied about that the muscular tissue. Today we are going to detail study about that the last type of animal tissue is a nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is a highly specialized tissue which consists the basic unit is called as the neuron. And what is the main function? Beta, it conduct the nerve impulses. Impulses means what, student? You know impulses means the electrical wave which is run through the nerves. Means देखो, already in the nervous system we have studied about that the what is the nerve, what is the stimulus, what is the impulses. Let us again, I will tell you. Stimulus means beta any change in the environment that usually change in our body. Means देखो बेटा, जब ठंडी when the winter seasons are going on, we feel very cold. When the summer season is going on, we feel very hot. Suddenly, accidentally, we touch the hot pan, we feel hotness. Means the hotness is the stimulus, coldness is the stimulus. Got it, student? मीन जो भी एटमॉस्फेयर में चेंज होता है बेटा, उसकी वजह से हमारे बॉडी में जो चेंज करते हैं हम, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द स्टिमुलस. एंड इम्पल्सेस मीन्स our body, the nerve cell, take the stimulus from the atmosphere and send it to the brain. It is called as the impulses. In the nervous system, again we will detail study about that the stimulus means main function क्या है बेटा nervous tissue का? It coordinate the functioning of our body. means हमारे बॉडी में कुछ भी फंक्शनिंग करनी है तो वो फंक्शनिंग हमारे ब्रेन से कोऑर्डिनेट होती है बेटा नर्वस टिश्यू से. Understood? Let us see detailed structure of nervous cell. See, student, this is our nervous system diagram. Nervous system is consist of our brain, spinal cord, and this thread-like structure is called as the nerve. And all these three structure is made up of nervous tissue. Got it? Means our brain, our spinal cord, all the nerve which are present in our body, which all are made from the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is coordinate. It is the main function to control over the all body activity. it coordinate the functioning of different parts. Means, see, I will give one example. Whenever we hungry, that times we take a food. This, whenever the food is enter in our digestive system, our stomach secrete the HCl, digestive gas, digestive juice, gastric juice, our saliva secrete the amylase. Means, this is the coordination is carried out by our nervous tissue. Got it? मीन्स ये क्या होता है बेटा, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे टच किया, हाथ ने किसी हॉट पैन को टच किया, these means the hands are receive the stimulus from hotness and sent through by the nerve impulses spinal cord to the brain. Then brain send the message to remove the hand from the vessel. Understood? Means like that coordination occur with the help of the nervous tissue. And the basic unit of nervous tissue is a neuron. मीन्स जैसे हमने देखा बेटा एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, द वन सिंगल सेल, द bunch of cell from a tissue. Same, the one single neuron is a single unit of the nervous system, and bunch of the neuron form a nervous system. See, let us see the structure of nervous system. We have seen many types of the tissue, many types of the cells, but the nervous tissue structure is a very different from another type of the tissue. See student, we have seen that another cell is a very micron in structure, but the nervous tissue, nervous cell, one neuron is length is more than 1 meter also. Understood? In our body, joint one neuron to another neuron and send the impulses from one parts of the body to the another parts of the body. Let us see the structure of neuron. This is the one single neuron. ये क्या है? एक सेल है, single cell. It is called as the nerve cell. There have a 3 main parts of the nerve cell. देखो बेटा, आपने देखा कौन सी भी सेल होंगी? It is obviously present the nucleus and cytoplasm. See, there are 3 main parts of the nerve cell. Cell body, this is the cell body. It is also called as the cyton. Another, this is the branches like projection, it's called as the dendrites. This long fibers, it's called as the axon. And this is the, again, the one fiber is divided into the many branch, it's called as the axon terminal. There are main parts of the nervous tissue. In the cyton, in the cell body, centrally present the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Got it? Means the cyton, it is also called as the cell body, which contain centrally nucleus and cytoplasm. In the cell body arise some dendrites, some branches like structure. This is arising from the cyton and then further branching, it is called as the dendrites. And one branch is a long cylinder like fibers, it's called as the axon. Understood student? Means beta, देखो, another, these dendrites are receive the impulses from another neuron sent to the cyton. Cytons is means whatever impulses are transmitted from dendrites to the cyton. Cytons is processing and send the another neuron through by the axon terminals. Again, there is the another neurons are present. These dendrites are touched to the axon terminals. This in that way, the nerve impulses sent by one neuron to the another neuron. Got it, student? This is the myelin sheet. It is covered by the see. Have you seen our electrical wire? In the wire is made from copper. Okay, sorry, not copper. The wire is made from any metals. Have you seen in at home? This is covered by the plastic. plastic covering. Why? Because not in the short circuit. Means the plastic is prevent the short, prevent the electricity. Means it is a barrier for, मीन्स देखो ये जो वायर है बेटा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करते हैं. इफ देर इज मेनी न्यूरॉन्स, मेनी वायर्स आर अटैच टू ईच अदर, बट देयर हैव अ plastic coating, and these plastic coatings are prevent for the short circuit. Same like that, this is the myelin sheet. The bunch of the neuron is called as the nerve. These myelin sheath are protect the nerve impulses to come in contact with another neuron. Understood? Nervous tissue समझ में आ गया बेटा. It is very special type of the tissue, and there have a three main parts. Cyton, it is also called as cell body, dendrites and axon terminals. Okay, it is located in the brain. कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते बेटा नर्वस टिश्यू? इट इज प्रेजेंट. आवर ब्रेन इज मेड फ्रॉम न्यूरॉन्स, आवर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इज मेड फ्रॉम न्यूरॉन्स. All nerve which are present in our body which is made from neuron. Got it? And what is the main function of neuron? It is very specialized tissue which receive the impulses, get stimulate and transmit the impulses from one part of the body to another. It control all the body activities. It coordinate the functioning of the different parts of the body, and it is the very important tissue beta. It is a means ये divide नहीं होते, means another cell is divided by the mitosis, but the neuron is a once we born, the number of neurons are present in your body till to the death. Oh, these number of neurons are present in our body. means बेटा जो nervous tissue उसकी cell division नहीं होती. जितने हम जब हम born होते हैं जितने neurons हमारे body में present होते हैं, जब हम मरते उतने ही न्यूरॉन हमारे बॉडी में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. मीन्स इसकी सेल डिवीजन नहीं होती. अनदर टाइप्स ऑफ द सेल्स आर डिवाइडेड बाय द माइटोसिस एंड meiosis. In the higher classes we will study about that. Understood student? What is the nervous tissue? Nervous tissue, the basic unit of nervous tissue is neuron. It is very different types of the cells from, means the all cell we have seen, but the nervous tissue is a very different structure. ऐसे parts कौन से भी tissue में नहीं होते. This is the last point. This is the last topic our tissue lesson. Okay student? Thank you.